Hi, it's Denise Lush, back with part 2 for Print Project. So in part 1 we created this background doing mark makings with just paintbrushes and a rubber-ended tool and a brayer to get some patches of color down. So now in part 2 we're going to use this one print to make some ICADS. It is that time of year again, ICAD 2021, and if you haven't heard of it, ICAD stands for Index Card a Day. So I thought we would take our one print and get 6 ICADs out of this one sheet of paper. I thought it was kind of cool, it felt fitting to do this because my very first video for gel press was creating this box to hold the ICADs last year. And I happened to make this tab for 2021. So I had no intentions of doing ICAD again this year. But, you know, I had this already made. So here I am doing it again this year. So I thought I would make some ICADs for this video. So this is a 12 by 12 piece of paper that we printed using our 12 by 12 gel press plate. Now, some people do ICADs 3 by 4 inches. I need a little more room. I'm not great at working small. So I make mine 4 by 6. So we're going to take our piece of paper and we're going to cut it at 6 inches. And then we're going to take this strip and turn it and cut it at every 4 inches. And that gives us 6 ICADs in total. Well, backgrounds for them anyways. I don't know about you, but I have a lot of paper scraps. And a lot of them are scraps from gel printing. Like just little bits of paper that are so yummy and grungy that I just can't part with them. Even big circles. It's just, I don't know, gel printed papers are just so beautiful to me. And this is just little bits of fabric and ribbon and more like bits of gel prints and little pieces of die cuts. Like this was die cut from a gel printed paper. And there's just all little bits. And then there's some bigger bits. And I mean, this doesn't even touch my stash of gel printed papers. I have so many. I have gel printed tags. These were gel prints done with like Distress Oxide sprays. And there's gel printing on newspaper print and on tissue paper. So I'm just going to decorate my cards with scraps of paper and just keep them simple and make them into my ICADs for 6 of the days of the 61. Thanks so much for watching. I wasn't able to show you how I decorated all 6 cards in this video because it would have been way too long. So if you would like to see how the rest of them were finished, then there's a link below this video that will direct you to my YouTube channel showing how I decorated all 6 of the ICADs. And I do hope you have fun creating your own.